Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have another Eid tutorial. Finally, after 2 years, I'm adding to my Eid series. I started doing these in 2013 because I have a friend and he asked me to do an Eid tutorial for his wife because Eid was coming up. They were fasting, it was Ramadan, and the celebration of Eid was coming up to mark the end of Ramadan. And I was like, yeah, for sure. So I did it. And it was so well received, and I decided at the end of the video to put a scarf on to show everyone how the look would come out if you were a headscarf wearing or a hijab wearing Muslim. So I did that and it was so well received, and then over the next couple of years I kept doing them, and then I remember the last time I did it, and this isn't why I didn't do them last year or anything, the next time I did it, it was when all of the cultural appropriation stuff, everyone started calling out people for doing cultural appropriation or committing cultural appropriation. And cultural appropriation is a serious issue that I'm very passionate about, but I was very disappointed to see people calling me an appropriator for putting a headscarf on. I'm not trying to wear it as a silly costume, I'm just showing my Muslim sisters what it looks like. And the people complaining are all people that aren't even Muslim. So it was really interesting. This is just, for me, I wanted to do this because I'm not even Christian and I still do holiday tutorials or Christmas tutorials. But yeah, it's just about inclusion. And I really felt like, I always felt like, and I had so many friends growing up in school that were Muslim, and I always felt like not everyone treated them the same. So that's what this video is about. And I want to give you guys ideas for what to wear to Eid or whatever celebration you're going to. Or if you're going out to get drunk on the weekend, if you want to wear it to that as well, you can. And the reason that I didn't do tutorials the last 2 years was because I was traveling whenever Eid was on, and I can't film, well, I used to not be able to film when I was overseas. Now I have a traveling setup, but the last 2 years, that's why I didn't do it. No other reason except that I wasn't even here. People get together during Eid to celebrate with their families, so I didn't want to do anything too crazy, and I didn't want to do anything uncomfortable, anything that was going to get in the way of eating. So I've chosen like a nice lip gloss that comes off nice, no false lashes, so that you can just take your makeup off and fall into bed and have the best sleep of your life. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the look. Let's go. The first step is to have moisturized your skin. So I showered, I did my hair. I know it doesn't look like I did my hair, but I killed it. I freaking killed it, and look at it. So my hair is did, but it looks like it's not. I just did like a very subtle wave. You probably cannot even see it. So I'll just tuck it behind my ears for now. And I'm gonna prime. So I'll start it with primer. Makeup Forever, step 1, skin equalizer. Put a little turd on your finger. You can use that if you have oily skin like me. I just put it in the T-zone as you saw. Then, oh my god, that came out chunky. This is the Becca Backlight priming filter. I'm just gonna remove the dried chunky bit, put it on a tissue, and I'm gonna rub that over my fingers and press that into like the edges and the high points of my face. I'm trying this new thing where I put things away as I go, because otherwise this right here in front of me, this table, becomes so messy that it becomes very overwhelming, and it's just always a big deal when I go to film. I'm gonna put foundation on, and I decided to use the Hourglass foundation so I can really customize my look. I'm gonna use a mixture of 3 colors. Got golden tan, beige, and chestnut. Beige is the lightest one. I'll put that in the center areas. Then there's golden tan. I'll put that a bit further around the edge. And then I'll add this one later when I want to contour. This is the Zoeva Face Shape Brush. I really like Zoeva brushes so much. They're a really good brand. They have great brushes. Love, love, love. Oh, do you see how that covered that boo-boo so easily? I put too much on. Whoo! This is a repeat of that Marc Jacobs Remarkable video, the infamous Remarkable. Once it's all spread out and on, I'll take my beauty blender. I like the flat side. This is not a beauty blender. It's not. It's the Real Techniques sponge. I need to get out of the habit of calling every sponge a beauty blender. So I'm not moving everything around here, I'm just kind of pressing it in. I want really snatched brows. I got this in the mail. L'Oreal sent this to me. This is the Brow Gel Pomade. Let's see how good it is. It's called Paradise Pomade Ecstatic. It's got a little brush in the lid. A lot of brands do this, and I like it. I like it. I like it like that. Ooh, guys, did I not ever tell you how good of a singer I was? Well, now you know. This is in the number NCPZ. Oh no, brunette. That's like the barcode number. Okay, wait, I need a spoolie. Brush those puppies up. It's pretty good. It's not like too pigmented, or the brush doesn't pick up too much, so I'm not making, oh, there's a mistake, but you know, it's not coming out too blocky. This is the brush of the Benefit version, and the brush is thick, and the brush of the L'Oreal version is really thin, which I much prefer because I was just going in and drawing hairs on, and I can't do that with the Benefit one because it's too thick. It just kind of draws a block in, which is still nice. It still comes out with a good brow, but this one's cool. See that? Hashtag Subaru impressed. And then I'm gonna set them with my Benefit Ready Set Brow. When my brows and foundation are on, all is good in the world. Now I can probably go on to do my eyes, and then I think I'll do contouring later. Okay, I'm gonna use the Nudestix Magnetic Eyes in Angel all over my eyelid space. Not impressed by that. I don't think that really sits on the skin nice. I'm gonna throw it out. I'm sure it'll be fine for a base, so I'll leave it there, but it just doesn't really look like anything on me. Okay, with the palette, I'll take the brown. I feel like this is what I always do, but I'm just gonna put it through the outer part of the eye and the crease. Same brush, and I'll take this shade and putting that on the outer edge of the eye, just kind of letting the brush sit on my lid space and go backwards and forwards. Kind of helps to blend it out a little bit into the socket, but not too far up. So clean blending brush, and I'm softening out those two shades. And this is as much color as we're putting on our eye, really. Someone mentioned to me on Twitter that they wanted something a little bit more natural because generally you celebrate Eid with your fams and there's no need for a rainbow eye at a family gathering, unless you want that. But personally, if I was to wear that, my dad would just be like, what's a war paint for? So I've decided to just leave it at this. So I'm just gonna leave it at this, so no one is gonna comment on your makeup except to say that you look pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take the matte dark brown, apply it under my eye. Trying not to get it on my waterline. Sometimes I accidentally get it on my waterline, but if I do that, then I'll have to clean it up with a Q-tip because I wanna put white eyeliner in there after this. Okay, there's this color from Colourpop. It's called So Quiche. Is that from, that's from Summer Heights High. I never realized that. It's a really nice neutral color that has flecks of purple in it, very subtly. I'm gonna use my finger to put that here. To bring that out, I'm gonna go against what I said before and add a little bit of this purple. Just a little bit over the top. So I'm taking that brush through the socket and under the eye just to blend everything in together. I'll take Kyliner brown eyeliner. Just adding a wee little wing there. Once that's on, I will take Castaway eyeliner from Elizabeth Arden. I'm gonna take that pencil brush that had brown in it and connect it up to the eyeliner. Then I'll take some of this shadow on the little brush that comes with it, or the applicator. I'm going to put that on the lower part of the inner part of my eye and connect it up to the waterline. Okay, I'm going to take Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. You could put fake lashes on if you want. I haven't decided if I want to yet because that mascara is honestly very intense. And I bet at the end of the night after Eid, you're in a little bit of a food coma, and so you won't be in the mood to peel off fake lashes. So it's completely optional. Let's see how the look comes along like as we keep going. So I'm going to add some of this now. Let's let the sponge take it from here. I'm gonna contour my nose with the Pixie contour powder. It's actually called Natural Contour Powder. I'm gonna take Brightening Concealer from Benefit under my eyes. Then I've got powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And I'll just pat it over the shiny areas. Then I'll take my Pixie palette and I'll just mix all three colors because I'm an indecisive bitch. Trying to make sure to remember to tap twice in each one. Same brush, I'm gonna take Tahiti mixed with Seychelles from the Huda Beauty Gold Sands highlight palette. I'll then finish off with a gloss. This is the Liptuitive Glow Gloss from Becca. It's so pretty in the packaging. It's like blue with purple sparkle, but when you put it on your lips, it's just really nice and kind of reacts with your lips and makes a nice natural pink color. You can barely see the glitters, like it's not a noticeable glitter. Just looks like a gloss. It's extremely comfortable, not sticky. As you eat, it'll go off really naturally and your lips will still look kind of pouty and pink. So it's really nice, especially if you're gonna be eating a lot. Like you could wear a matte lipstick if you want, but that's just gonna get all crusty and crumbly and like it's not comfortable on your lips. So definitely go with a gloss that's just gonna come off and look good as it comes off. Take a little bit of the contour powder. So that's it guys. I think I'm gonna leave it without the lashes because I think it looks really nice. That mascara is extremely volumizing and I've been putting Revitalash and lash serums on my eyelashes and they've been getting really long. I like that there's no lashes because then when I'm getting unready, it'll take less time, it hurts my eyes less, blah, blah, blah. You might notice that my eyes are a different color. Well, I've put on lenses. I've got all these lenses that I rarely put on, but now that I've had prescription contacts for the past like 6 months or 5 months, I've gotten used to putting them in and so I feel a lot more comfortable using them. These are the Desio Sensual Beauty lenses in Caramel Brown. And these ones are prescription 0, but you can get prescriptions of these, so I'm probably gonna order, you know, my actual prescription lens because then I can just wear these and my eyes will be able to be a new color every day and I won't have to wear my glasses. So at the end of every video, I show you guys how it looks with a hijab. So if you're a woman that wears a hijab, this is what it will look like. I guess you just have to make sure that the wing doesn't go too far out to be covered by the hijab, but mine's okay here. But I think it would go really well with like a black hijab or one that matches the eyeliner, or even this burgundy one just happens to match my eyeshadow. So yeah, if you're a woman that wears a hijab, then that's what it would look like. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial and I wish you a very happy Eid. If you're not wearing this look for Eid, then enjoy it because I really like it. I wish I was going out to do something and instead I'm gonna go have a bath. I'm gonna run a bath, put a bath bomb in and read my Golden Age Detective Stories book. It's this book that's just got like, it probably has like 100 short stories in there, like Arthur Conan Doyle and all of the Golden Age old school detective authors, and each book only takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Is this a book review video? I think it is. Each story only takes like 10 minutes to read, so I love to have a bath and read one of the stories, and then I go to bed, and it's like my meditation for the night. Alright guys, thanks heaps for watching. I'll talk to you very soon in my next tutorial. Love you all so much, and happy Eid. Eid Mubarak. Mubarak. Mubarak? Mubarak. Hold on one second. Mubarak. I say Maburak, but it's Mubarak. Mubarak. Thanks guys for watching. Please leave a comment letting me know what you thought, and I'll see you next time.